How to verify your address. Address verification is an important part of the account verification process, as explained in this video. You may need to verify your address when withdrawing profits. To verify your address, open your profile and locate the Identity Status and Address Status sections. Complete all fields marked with an asterisk and ensure the information is accurate. Be sure to check the boxes marked with an asterisk. Upload the required documents for verification. Acceptable documents include bank statements, utility bills, address statements, lease agreements, tax invoices, or invoices from internationally recognized organizations on official letterheads, signed and stamped. For address verification, you'll need color scans or photos of original documents no older than 3 months. Ensure the uploaded images are high quality with readable text and that the documents have no cut edges. You will receive an email notification confirming the successful upload of your documents. Additionally, you will be notified via email and on the platform once your documents have been verified. You can track the status of your document in the profile section. Happy trading with Pocket Option. Start now.